Hey y'all, it's your favorite trader Jazz, and today we're going to be talking about what is the difference between gambling and trading. Trading is actually just professional gambling. I've been seeing that a lot lately, and I have a few things to say about this. So let's start off with understanding what trading is. Trading is buying a financial instrument for less than what you sell it for. That's all trading is. And you can trade in any industry, not just the financial market. You can trade physical goods, you can trade digital goods, you can trade cars. I mean, there's so many things you can trade. But with trading for profit, the goal is to buy something for less than you sell it for, and then that difference is your profit. So trading within itself should not be related to gambling in any way, in my opinion. Gambling is when you play a game with chance, speculation, and luck, hoping to get an outcome that is desirable and profitable to you. There's little to no skill involved. A lot of it is luck, chance, being in the right place at the right time, destiny, whatever you want to call it. There's no pre-analysis. You may look at your odds or your chance of winning something when you gamble or bet, but there's no true analysis because you're not trading anything. With gambling, it's usually thrill-seeking, and you lose more than you win, but that win is usually big enough to cover all of your previous losses. Whereas people that complain about trading, they say it's just a constant seesaw kind of thing. You win, you lose, you win, you lose, you win, you lose. You just kind of always end up breaking even or getting slight profits at the end of the month or slightly negative at the end of the month. And that's going to depend on your strategy. If you are constantly breaking even every month, constantly slightly in the negative, or even slightly in the positive every month, that is your strategy. That is not the entire industry of trading. You need to change your strategy. You now have a track record of your strategy not working out for you. That's an issue. Or maybe you have a really good strategy, but you're trading the wrong stock or the wrong Forex currency with that strategy. Or you're using too much size, or your risk management is not proper. Your risk to reward is not a good enough ratio. With trading, there is proper risk assessment, not just what are my chances of winning. Because to be honest, trading the financial markets always have a 50% chance of winning. If you want to just talk about chance and chance alone, the market can only go up or down. So you can either win or lose. Every time you push a button, buy or sell, you're either winning or losing. There's no other option. If you leave it up to chance and only want to talk about chance, yeah, any 18-year-old kid can come to the market, push a button, win one day because the market can only go two ways, up or down. With gambling, depending on the game you're playing, it's usually a much smaller chance of you winning than 50%, usually. Especially if we're talking about lottery, poker, other players involved. You got to divide it by how many people are invested. There's a lot of things that go into your chances of winning when it comes to gambling. But again, it's still only left up to chance. Whereas with trading, you're buying and selling financial market securities based off of previous price action and what is happening currently with price action. You are able to see in real time your investment working out for you or not working out for you. This might not even be on topic, kind of, but when people say, oh, I lost 20K today, trust me, I've been there. I've had a 20K loss day before. I have. It hurt. It still hurts. Even though it's been quite some time, it still hurts. When you hear people say, I lost 20K today, I was watching a podcast and one of the traders said that they lost like $500,000 in a day. My question is, so you watched that happen? You had any opportunity to stop it. You had any opportunity to sell, cut your losses. With gambling, you usually don't have that opportunity. You usually don't have an opportunity to cut your losses. You either win or you lose. You either win it all or lose it all. No in between. With trading, you can manage your risk. You can manage your losses. You can also choose not to take much losses if you use a super tight stop loss. With gambling, you don't have that option. I know my 20K loss day, I watched it. I saw it. I looked at it. I'm like, wow. And I didn't stop it. I didn't stop it because I wanted to be right. I wanted the trade to eventually go back in my favor so that I could potentially not take a loss at all. But because I cared more about being right than being profitable, I ended up taking my biggest loss in the day ever, when there was multiple opportunities for me to cut the loss at 7K, 5K, even 3K that day. And I didn't do it. I didn't do it. Why? Psychology. So where I will say gambling and trading have a similarity is in the psychology aspect. It's in the addiction. Trading can be very addicting, similar to gambling. And you can also bring gambling traits over to trading, but you can't bring trading traits over to gambling. We have to be careful. The two are separate, but in the psychology aspect, I can see why people are relating the two. So for those of you that are not involved in trading yet, I hope that this quick video of just me sharing my thoughts on this topic got you kind of understanding why people may be saying that, and also why it's not that. And it's really going to come down to so many things: patience, discipline, your risk tolerance, how you handle your emotions, your addictive personality level. Trading brings out a lot of character traits in people that you may have thought wasn't an issue for you, or that you've probably outgrown, and then it comes out in trading. So that's why I'm so passionate about trading psychology, because that is and was the biggest hurdle for me. Trading the markets is easy. Yeah, it's easy. It's easy. It's the same thing every day. It's easy. What changes every day is your psychology. That's my 2 cents on it. Let me know what y'all think. Do you agree with what I'm saying? Do you think there's more similarities that I didn't touch on? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.